You understand when you come from week to week what's happening? The howling winds came because they gave isharat. When they're teaching, it's not teaching for entertainment, it's a signal from heavens. And then when Allah wants to bring down arrogance, what was the example of Sayyidina Hud? That the people of Hud had an immense arrogance and Allah took them with Zikr. And when you could hear the winds, all you could hear was howling. And you hear the howling, anyone who want to sit and connect their heart, they could hear the howling. And these winds on an exact course. Why? Because creation is going to be humbled. Arrogance requires humbling. Then the people of the Thamud earthquake. The giants were building into mountains. Mountain symbolized for them an immense hardness in their heart. And what was then the dhikr of Saleh was make durood and salawat upon the mountain, and he brought the whole place by quaking down. So the howling winds for pride and arrogance, and the earthquakes to bring down the hardened hearts. Dhikr and salawat al-Nabi